Introduce highlight features and overview of KingCamp folding camping chairs, portable beach chair, lightweight camp chairs with cup holder and front pocket for outdoor. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. KingCamp camping folding chair. KingCamp camping folding chair is comfortable, portable, sturdy, and durable, especially suitable for outdoor activities such as beach, camping, hiking, picnic, fishing, sporting events, as well as indoor usage. Take it on the road, add some relaxed and comfortable for you. 2 cup holders, durable mesh cup holder and armrest at the perfect height allows you to relax in comfort. Breathable mesh seat and back, design with mesh material of the back makes this chair more comfortable when sit on it for a long time. Convenient front pocket with a zip holds cell phone, keys, and maps. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.